When they landed on Plymouth Rock here today. Any shock they should try to stand, instead of landing on Plymouth Rock would land on them. In olden days, a glimpse of stocking was looked on as something shocking, but now Lord knows anything goes. Good authors who once knew better words now only use four-letter words. Writing prose, anything goes. If driving fast cars you like, if low bars you like, if old hymns you like, if bare limbs you like, if Mae West you like, or me undressed you like, nobody will oppose. When every night the set that's smart is indulging in nudist parties in studios, then anything goes.